Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to use Roblox Account Manager for beginners. And first and foremost, you're going to open your web browser and you're going to search for the GitHub. Once you're here, which is before you can actually see yourself in this page, you have to sign in with a GitHub. You can even sign it up for free. From there, you're going to search for Roblox Account Manager. Once you've done so, they're just going to first make sure before downloading this account manager is you've switched off the protection in Google. Once you've done that, you're just going to tap on download and it's going to be here at your file manager here at downloads. In front of here, as you can see, it's this one. So I'm going to right click on it. So I'm going to extract files and I'm going to click on it. From there, I'm going to put it on password locked. I'm going to put my Roblox password. Then I'm going to confirm my password. Now on continue. And from there, I've been able to open my Roblox account manager. Then I'm going to put my username, which is this one. And then from there, I'm going to go to my Roblox, and then I'm going to choose a game that I would like to play. And let's say I'm going to choose like King or Tycoon. And then from here, what I'm going to do is to just copy the numbers that are here. And then I am going to head on over to the Roblox account manager. And here at place ID, I am going to paste. From there, all I have to do is to just join this server. As you can see, it has been written to me now, Tycoon here, which is the king that I want to join the server. So I'm going to tap on join the server. And when all you have to do is to just wait for your account to join the server. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.